Hello everyone, I am Prakash Guruvin. Dear students, in our previous lecture, we have discussed about the interpolation method and few examples on them. Today, I am going to explain you the topic called as numerical differentiation. The numerical differentiation is to estimating the derivative of the function using the values of the function. Here we have seen there is one theorem that is called as if y equal to f of x is a given curve, then find the first order derivative and the second order derivative, that is dy by dx and d square y by dx square, or else f dash of x and f double dash of x at x equal to x naught by using Newton's Gregory forward difference formula. Proof of this will be, let y equal to f of x be a given function, then by using Newton's Gregory forward interpolation formula, we have f of a plus nh equal to f of a plus n into delta f of a plus n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into delta square f of a plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by 3 factorial into delta cube f of a, plus the process will be continued so on. Then f of a plus nh equal to f of a plus n into delta f of a plus, we have to multiplying this, that is n square minus n divided by 2 into delta square f of a plus, and this term will becomes what? 1 divided by 3 factorial, that will become 6. 1 by 6 into, that is n cube minus 3n square plus 2n into delta cube f of a plus, and so on. Now we are going to differentiating with respect to n, then we'll get the first order derivative, that is f dash of a plus nh into, so here a becomes 0 plus, here with respect to n it means it is h, that is 0 plus h, so that is equal to, this term will become 0 plus, here with respect to n means it is 1, means it is delta f of a plus 1 by 2 into 2n minus 1 into delta square f of a plus, this term will becomes what? 1 by 6 into 3n square minus 6n plus 2 into delta cube f of a plus, so on. Again differentiating with respect to n, we will have f double dash of a plus nh into h square, like this, that is h square, that is equal to 0 plus, this term will become 0, that is delta f of a will become 0 plus, here delta square f of a plus 1 by 6 into 6n minus 6 into delta cube f of a, call it as equation number 3. So we have from equation number 2, f dash of a plus nh equal to, this h can be written as here 1 divided by h into delta f of a plus 1 by 2 into 2n minus 1 into delta square f of a plus 1 by 6 into 3n square minus 6n plus 2 into delta cube f of a, plus the process will be continued so on dashed. Next, here we are putting a plus nh is equal to x naught. So by using a and b, then finding the n value, then the above equation will becomes dy by dx equal to, that is f dash of x naught is equal to 1 divided by h into delta f of a plus 1 divided by 2 into 2n minus 1 into delta square f of a plus 1 by 6 into 3n square minus 6n plus 2 delta cube f of a plus so on. This is the first order derivative. Similarly, from the equation number 3, we have f double dash of a plus nh equal to 1 divided by h square into delta square f of a plus 1 by 6 into 6n minus 6 into delta cube f of a plus so on. Here put a plus nh is equal to x naught, then find the n value. We know that. Okay. The second order derivative can be written as here d square y by dx square, that is equal to f double dash of x naught, that is equal to 1 divided by h square into delta square f of a plus 1 by 6 into 6n minus 6 into delta cube f of a plus and so on. So, by using these two formulas to calculating the first order differentiation and the second order differentiation, that is f dash of x naught and f double dash of x naught value. Okay, dear students, we will look at some of the examples regarding the numerical differentiation. The first example will be find f dash of x and f double dash of x at x equal to 2 for the following data. One of the very important example. Here the given table is x value and y value. The x values are given by 0, 1, 2, 3. Corresponding to these x values, the y values are given by 0, 1, 8 and 27. Okay, our job is to find what is the derivative value at x equal to 2 here. First we have to construct the forward difference table as we seen here. The forward difference table is here. So x value is here 0, 1, 2, 3. Corresponding to these x values, the y values are given by 0, 1, 8, 27. Then the first order difference, that is delta f of x naught, that is here 1 minus 0, 1, here 8 minus 1, 7, 27 minus 8, that is 19. Similarly, the second order difference is here 6 and 12. The third order difference is again that is 6 only. Okay, after constructing this forward difference table, then we have to calculating the n value. So here a is equal to 0, h is equal to 1. The step, it is equal interval here, that is h is equal to 1. Then here we are going to substituting these two value here. A plus nh is equal to 2. So therefore n is equal to 2 here. Then by using the first order derivative of a numerical differentiation, f dash of x is equal to the formula 1 divided by h into delta f of a plus 1 by 2 into 2n minus 1 into delta square f of a plus 1 by 6 into 3n square minus 6n plus 2 into delta cube f of a. We shall be write the formula is up to delta cube f of x naught. Okay. Then we are going to substituting the x value is equal to 2 here. Therefore it is f dash of 2 value is equal to h is equal to 1 here, means it is 1 divided by 1 into delta f of a. What is delta f of a is here. Delta f of a is 1. Therefore it is 1 plus 1 by 2 into, it is 3 into 6. 3 where we are getting, n is equal to 2 means 2 to the 4 minus 1, that is 3 into delta square. The delta square value is 6 here. Here 2 and this will be gets cancelled. Then plus third term will be 1 by 6 into 12 minus 12 plus 2 into delta cube f of a is 6. So if we are going to simplifying these value, we are getting 1 plus 9 plus 2, that is equal to 12. So f dash of 2 value is equal to 12 we have. Similarly, we have to find out a second order derivative, that is f double dash of x, that is equal to 1 divided by h square into delta square f of a plus 1 by 6 into 6n minus 6 into delta cube f of a. Here, if we are going to substituting all these values here in the above formula, we have 1 by 1 into delta square. Delta square will get 6 plus 1 by 6 into, it is 12 minus 6 into 6. Therefore, if we simplifying this, we will get f double dash of 2 is equal to, it is 12 value. So from this we have finding f dash of x and f double dash of x. So from the numerical differentiation value. Similarly, take the another example. Find f dash of x at x equal to 1 for the following data. Here the x value and f of x value is given by, x values are given by 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5. Y values are given by 1.1, 1.2, 1.5, 2.6, 2.8, 3.3. So first we have to construct the forward difference table. That is we have constructed here. Look at here. X equal to 1, that is x1 1.5, 2 2.5, 3 3.5. Corresponding to these x values, the y values are given by 1.1, 1.2, 1.5, 2.6, 2.8, 3.3. Then the first order difference will be this: 0.1, 0.3, 1.1, 0.2, 0.5. Then the second order difference, that is delta square f of x naught, that is 0.2, 0.8, minus 0.9, 0.3. Similarly, the third order difference will be delta cube f of x naught, that is 0.6, minus 1.7, it is 1.2. Similarly, the fourth order difference will be minus 2.3, 2.9. Similarly, the last difference will be delta power 5 into f of x naught, that is, so 5.2 here. So after constructing this forward difference table, we have to find out the value of n. So here a is equal to 1 and h is equal to 0.5. See, if you see the x value, so the difference will be 0.5. Okay. So here if we are going to substituting all these values in this above equation, that is a plus nh is equal to 1. So we get n is equal to 0. Okay. So after that we have to take the numerical differentiation formula, that is f dash of a plus nh is equal to 1 by h into delta f of a plus 1 by 2 into 2n minus 1 delta square f of a plus 1 by 6 into 3n square minus 6n plus 2 into delta cube f of a plus 1 by 24 into 4n cube minus 18n square plus 22n minus 6 into delta power 4 f of a plus 1 divided by 120 into 5n power 4 minus 40n cube plus 105n square minus 100n plus 24 into delta power 5 into f of a. We shall be write the formula is up to its nth order difference what we have got in the table, that is delta power 5 is the last value. We have to write down the formula up to that. Okay, if you are going to substituting all the values in the above formula, we have, that is f dash of here 1 x, that is here a plus nh is equal to 1 here, therefore it is f dash of 1 is equal to, here h is equal to 0.5, here 1 divided by 0.5 into delta f of a. What is delta f of a? Here in the table 0.1 we have substituted, 0.1 minus 1 by 2 into 0.2 plus 1 by 3 into 0.6 minus 1 by 4 into minus 2.3 plus 0.2 into 5.2. Okay, if we are going to simplifying these values, we'll get as, here it is 1.815 divided by 0.5. So therefore f dash of 1 is equal to, it is 3.63. This is the first order derivative of the function. Okay, so similarly take the another example. Find f dash of x at x is equal to 0.4. So from the given table, here x values and y values are given here. X values are 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 and 0.4. So corresponding to those x values, the y values are given here: 1.10517, 1.22140, 1.34986 and 1.49182. Its solution, we have to construct the forward difference table again. So here 0.1 x values are 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. So similarly we have to write down the y values here. So if you observe the x values, they are at equal intervals, that is in every step it is 0.1 is the difference. Okay, we have to construct the first order derivative, first order difference, that is delta f of x naught. So here 0.11623, so 0.12846, here 0.14196. Similarly, a second order difference is 0.01223, here 0.0135. Similarly, the third order difference, that is delta cube f of x naught, that is given by that is 0.00127. So we have to calculating the n value. See here a plus nh is equal to 0.4. So therefore here a is equal to 0.1 and h is equal to 0.1. Okay, so if we are going to substituting these values, so then we'll get n is equal to 3 value. Okay, so again by using the numerical differentiation formula, that is the first order derivative, that is given by f dash of a plus nh is equal to 1 by h into delta f of a plus 1 by 2 into 2n minus 1 delta square f of a plus 1 by 6 into 3n square minus 6n plus 2 into delta cube f of a. Now, so f dash of it is 0.4, that is equal to 1 divided by 0.1 into, it is 0.11623 plus here 1 by 2 into, it is 5 into 0.01223 plus here 1 divided by 6 into 27 minus 18 plus 2 into 0.00127. Now if you are going to calculating these values, we will get the f dash of 0.4 is equal to 1.49133. So is the value. Okay, with this we have done the numerical differentiation unit. Thank you all.